In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note to an employee profile in Gusto. If you need to keep a clear internal record for an employee, adding a note in Gusto is a simple way to do it. Notes can be useful for documenting important context, follow-up items, or internal reminders, and the process only takes a minute once you know where to look. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the appropriate permissions to view employee profiles and manage notes. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click People. This section is where you can access your employee list and open individual profiles. From there, select the employee you want to add a note to. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct employee profile before continuing, especially if you manage a larger team. Once you're on that employee's profile, go to the left side menu and click Notes. This will bring you to the area where existing notes are stored and where you can create a new one. Next, click Add Note or Create Note depending on the version or wording you see in your account. A note entry window should appear. If a title field is available, enter a clear and specific note title. Then type your note in the main text area. Try to keep the note professional, concise, and easy to understand. It's a good idea to include enough detail so the note is useful later, while still keeping the wording clear and organized. Before saving, review the note for accuracy. Check for typos, unclear wording, or anything that might be misleading. This quick review step is important because notes often serve as internal documentation, and having clean, accurate information makes future reference much easier. Once everything looks good, click Save. After saving, confirm that the note appears in the Employee's Notes section. This final check helps you verify that the note was successfully added and is stored in the right place. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh, and then look again in the Notes area. And that's it. You've successfully added a note to an employee profile in Gusto. Thanks for watching.